Hello and welcome to MacroEdtech. We are running a 30 days revision series for the upcoming UPSC Civil Service Examination Prelims 2026, paper number 2, that is CSET. This is day number 20 and today we will discuss 3 miscellaneous questions. For better visibility and to save your time, we have also attached the solutions. Treat this as a learning opportunity to improve your problem solving approach, accuracy and time management for the examination. So let's begin. Question number 1. In a town, 45% population read magazine A, 55% read magazine B, 40% read magazine C, 30% read magazine A and B, 15% read magazines B and C, 25% read magazine A and C, and 10% read all three magazines. So please read carefully what percentage don't read any magazine. And we have option 10%, 15%, 20% and 25%. So this is clearly visible. This question belongs to set theory or Venn diagram. So we'll solve with the help of one formula which definitely save your time. To solve this kind of question, we can use inclusion exclusion principle. There's a one formula you can read here. In my previous video, we already covered this concept. Please remember, this formula gives the percentage of people reading at least one magazine. Okay, but in question we have to find the number of people or percentage of people who didn't read any magazine, right? So we will see the solution. You can solve this question with the help of Venn diagram or by simple formula, because we have all values like person who read magazine 45%, B for 55%, C 40%, A and B 30%, B and C 15%, A and C 25%, A, B, C 10%. So we'll put all these value in this formula and we will get 80%. So what is an 80%? Percentage who read at least one magazine. But we have to find who read none. Means nothing. How many percent of people who don't read any magazine, right? So we'll subtract from 100. 100 minus 80. So we'll get 20%. So this is our final answer. Now question number 2, which is asked by UPSC in CSET 2015. In a 500-meter race, B start 45 meter ahead of A. But A wins the race while B is still 35 meter behind. What is the ratio of speed of A to B, assuming that both start at the same time? Here's a very important concept. You can see here, when two persons run for the same time, their speeds are proportional to distance covered. So speed ratio is the same or proportional to distance ratio. Now, as per the instruction given in question, we will start from here. You can see the initial condition at the start when A at origin and B is 45 meter ahead of A, and both have to cover 500 meter race. When A finishes the race, A reached at destination but B 35 meter behind A. So we have to find that how much distance covered by the B, because already he was 45 meter ahead of A and missed it overall race by 35 meter. So you can find that A covers 500 meter from origin to end point, but B cover, you can see here, initially 500 minus 45, because it's already 45 meter ahead of A. So we will subtract. So now remaining 455 meter from this point at B point to finish point. But again we can observe from the question that he missed by 35 meter. So again we will subtract 35 from 455 and we will get 420 meter, right? So A covers 500 meter and B covers 420 meter. In our previous slide we saw that the very important concept that speed ratio is proportional to distance. So we'll find their speed ratio same as distance ratio. So 500 ratio to 420. So this is final 25 ratio 21. This is our final answer. So you can practice this kind of question, may be asked again by UPSC in CSET examination. Question number 3. Two equal glasses of same type are respectively 1/3 and 1/4 full of milk. They are then filled up with water and then contents are mixed in a pot. What is the ratio of milk and water in the pot? And we have options. Now we'll see the solution. Let the capacity of each glass be 12 units. How? Because 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, we take LCM of 3 and 4. So we will get 12 units. So suppose each glass have capacity 12 units. So when first glass is filled 1 by 3 full of milk, means total milk in the first glass 1 by 3 of total capacity, that is 12. So 4 unit milk in first glass. And how much water added? 12 minus 4, 8 units. Now for the second glass, 1 by 4 full of milk. So 1 by 4 into 12, because the capacity of both the glasses are same. So we'll get 3 units. 3 units milk and remaining will be water. Now total mixture in the pot. What is the total milk? 4 units plus 3 units. So we'll get total 7 unit, and same as water, 8 unit in first glass and second 9 units. Total 17 unit. Please remember very important concept, ratio will never change, right? So required ratio, milk and water, when you pour in another container, the ratio will be same. Means 7 unit come in another pot and 17 unit of water come in another pot, but there will be a same ratio. So 7 raised to 17 is our correct answer. So that's it for today. Today we saw total 3 questions asked by UPSC in CSET examination 2015. And you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and for any doubt and any query, please write mail at info@macroedtech.com. So thank you very much.